Welcome to my channel. ARRIS G34 Modem Installation and Activation Latest Method 2026. 1. Unbox the ARRIS G34. Take out the ARRIS G34 modem, power adapter, coax cable, and Ethernet cable from the box. 2. Choose the right location. Place the modem near a cable wall outlet in an open, well-ventilated area for best Wi-Fi performance. 3. Connect the coax cable. Attach one end of the coax cable to the wall outlet and the other end to the cable port on the ARRIS G34. 4. Plug in the power. Connect the power adapter and switch on the modem. Wait 2 to 5 minutes until the power, downstream, upstream, and online lights turn solid. 5. Connect your device. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer, or connect via Wi-Fi using the default Wi-Fi name and password printed on the modem label. 6. Open activation page. Open any browser and type http://192.168.0.1 or your ISP's activation page, Xfinity, Spectrum, Cox, etc. 7. Activate with your ISP. Sign into your ISP account and follow on-screen steps to activate the ARRIS G34 modem. 8. Wait for provisioning. Activation may take 5 to 10 minutes. The modem may reboot automatically. This is normal. 9. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Log into 192.168.0.1, go to wireless settings, and set a strong Wi-Fi name and password. 10. Test your internet. Open any website or run a speed test to confirm everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching.